Data provided by the Guyana Geology and Mines Commission indicates that mine-related accidents and deaths decreased in 2016 compared with 2014 and 2015. The industry recorded 7 deaths for the year. That's too many, according to Natural Resources Minister Raphael Trotman.
Well, as was reported, one of the sad features of our work this year has been 7 deaths. One may wish to dismiss them by saying, well, we've had more persons killed by road accidents. But for us, 1 death is one too many. And we wish we have had an accelerated agenda to ensure better mining practices. We have, in fact, established or are in the process of establishing a corps of wardens who will have powers trained by the police, powers to go into the sector looking at forestry, mining, environmental malpractices.
But while there are signs of improvement, the fact cannot be ignored that 120 mine-related deaths occurred between 2006 to 2016. The majority of mining accidents in Guyana are linked to pit failure, the GGMC had said.
Accidents happen. We don't want them to be fatal. What we found in some instances is that after the accidents, the method of preserving the person, location between the mine and a safety station or even a hospital, perhaps the person's life could have been saved if there's some basic techniques taught in how to preserve a person if their back or some part was broken.
The Natural Resources Ministry has repeatedly urged miners to adhere to the rules and regulations governing the mining sector, particularly in the area of occupation, health, and safety.
Also, we have been using the consultancy services of Mr. Charles Series to train miners and mines officers in best practices of how to construct a wall, how to maintain good safety practices. Both Troy Resources and Guyana Goldfields have also offered to provide training to UG students, and they have been doing so. They can go on site and see how a pit should be constructed or how it should not be constructed. And we are, as I said, in 2017, going to be working even harder to reduce that figure from 7 to 0.
A 2015 Commission of Inquiry report by former GGMC Commissioner Dr. Grantley Walren found that the principal cause of pit failure accidents was the neglect of safe mining practices. In addition, there was evidence that dangerous shortcuts were being taken in an effort to raise production. Royden James, HGP Nightly News.